of things to learn and places to go. So great is the world in which we live. It has so much to give, so much to give. So great is the world in which we live. It has so much to give, so much to give. Fun and learn, 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 fun and learn.
Saisha, I saw Maya in my dream.
Oh, what was she doing?
She waved her magic wand and brought me a lot of ice creams.
Wow! Then?
And then I had all the ice creams.
Whoopee! Whoopee!
Hi, Kavi.
What are you doing?
I'm learning to fly.
You want to fly?
Yes, I want to fly like Vayu uncle.
Do you know how to fly? Will you teach me too?
All right, it is very easy. Come here, I will show you. I had a lot of fun. Then Maya waved her magic wand again.
Then what happened?
She brought me a lot of chips.
Chips?
Oh, look, Bobby and Cobby. All right, it is very easy.
I'm feeling tired now.
Me too. But when we fly, what are you doing?
Bobby is teaching me how to fly. Fly?
Yes, like Vayu uncle.
Hey, look!
Hey, what are you doing? Bobby is teaching Gobby how to fly like Vayu uncle. What?
Not me. Bobby. He told me flying is easy.
I was missing Vayu uncle. I am missing Vayu uncle and Maya too.
Yes. They haven't come to Marvel Land since a long time. Yes, we all miss them so much.
Oh, Vayu uncle.
Oh,
Maya, please come. We all miss you so much.
Hello, friends.
Hello, my little angels.
Vayu uncle. Maya.
Uncle, Maya, we were all missing you. Yes. Why didn't you come to see us for so many days?
Yes, why didn't you come?
Oh, dear friends, I'm really sorry. But even I missed you all a lot these days.
Yes, my little angels. I missed you all a lot too.
Well, I was planning a nice picnic for all of us.
Oh yes. And I want to show you all some real magic.
Real magic?
A picnic?
Well, I'm just wondering who wants to go for the picnic with me.
I want to. Me. Yay! Picnic! We will fly again.
So great is the world in which we live. It has so much to give, so much to give. So great is the world in which we live. It has so much to give, so much to give. There is so much to know while we grow. Lots of things.
Are you enjoying the ride, my friends?
Yes. Uncle, I'm feeling hungry.
Maya, I am thirsty.
I guess it is time for some real magic now.
The world in which we live. It has so much to give, so much to give. So great is the world.